1 minute.
I'm a native.
No, 1 minute. Start from now. Please tell us
Oh,
about yourself. Yeah.
okay, sir. So my full name is Anjali Ramachandran. My native place is Kottayam district, but currently I'm residing in Calicut. Regarding my academics, I had completed my graduation in electrical and electronics engineering from Government Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Kottayam in 2017, and I had completed my post graduation in control systems in from College of Engineering, Trivandrum in 2020. During the graduation time, I had the opportunity to serve as the Secretary of Electrical Association. I had conducted various tech tests and programs relating to that. It was during this time that I realized that I am a team player, and it helped me a lot to improve my communication skills also. And during the post graduation time, I had the opportunity to be the PG representative of the college, which helped me a lot in molding the leadership qualities in me. Also, I'm a quick learner and a person who loves maths, and with analytical skills also. Thank you, sir.
Good, 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 good. Now, you are married.
Yes, sir. I got married recently. My husband is working as electrical engineer in Qatar, and we have got one daughter, one
Very,
year old.
very good. You have 1-year-old daughter. Excellent.
Yes.
Now, how will you be able to manage serving in our bank? Because our posting is pan-India posting. How will you manage?
Sure, sir. I'll be much more happy because I have already discussed this with my parents and in-laws, and they used to take care of my baby more than me. And also, sir, I was unemployed for a past few years. So I know a value of a job to get a reputed job in a firm. So I'd be very delighted to join in an reputed organization, and that too in a dignified post. I'll be much more happy for a relocation. And also, the federal bank provides necessary benefits for the employees also. So I'm much delighted for that, sir.
Good. Now, who is the MD CEO of Federal Bank?
Sir, Shyam Srinivasan, sir, is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank currently.
When the question is asked, you can say, yeah, with full sentence.
Okay.
Mr. Shyam Srinivasan is the MD and CEO of our bank.
Okay.
You can tell like that.
Of our,
So that let them
okay.
feel
Okay.
that you are closer to them.
Okay.
Who
Okay.
is
Okay.
the
Okay, sir.
chairman of Federal Bank?
Sir, C. Balagopal, sir, is the chairman of our bank.
Very good. Excellent. Now, can you tell me what are the specialities of Federal Bank? What is there in Federal Bank which is normally not present in other banks that makes you like Federal Bank very much?
Okay, sir. So Federal Bank has been a pioneer in improving the new technologies in banking sector. It is the first brand, even though it is an old sector, old generation private bank, it has been there has been a remarkable achievement in the technology implementation. That is, Federal Bank is the first bank ever in India to digitalize or computerize all its branches, which is a remarkable achievement. Than the other private sector or the scheduled bank. And also, it is the Federal Bank is the first bank to start. Even we can start a demat account in 60 seconds without any documentation. That is also a great achievement compared to all the other competitors.
Don't say without any documentation. Maybe you have to show some proof. You have to show some proof and
Okay.
then open. With the
Okay,
documentation
sir.
only, not necessarily in written form.
Ah,
It's all done
okay,
in
sir.
it is all done in electronic form. That is it.
Okay, okay,
And what
sir.
is the name of
Okay, sir.
the mobile app of our Federal Bank?
Sir, it's Fed Mobile. Fed
Correct.
Mobile.
Yeah. There is one more Lotsa. There is one more app known as Lotsa. Have you heard about
Okay.
it? Have you heard about it? It is used for UPI transactions, similar to our
Okay.
GPAY. You have not seen that.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
No,
Very
sir.
doesn't matter. Good.
Okay.
Now, we are going to post you as in charge of increasing housing loan advances in a particular branch. Say,
Okay, sir.
let us say Kozhikode or some other place. Now,
Okay.
how will you go about increasing the housing loan advances?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So basically, sir, what I'll do, sir, so we have many already we have many customers in our bank. Like they may have just a savings account or NRI account like that only. So what I'll do is that firstly is cross selling. That if a person comes for a savings bank or a current account, then I'll introduce them with the products of our bank, like a housing loan, and I'll keep on telling the advantages or the perks of our bank, and I'll make them realize that our housing realize our products, and like that I'll increase the customer service. Also, I'll try to bring customer acquisition by bringing new customers to the branch, and by telling them about the housing loans and loans advances.
See, rather, it is going in a very lengthy response. It should make it brief.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
I will try to
Okay.
do, I will try to do cross selling with our existing customers. Katam.
Okay.
That
Customers.
point is
Okay.
over.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
try to get new customer acquisition by using social media and by making contacts
Okay.
with the dealers of construction houses,
Okay.
something like that.
Okay.
Or in the
Okay.
case of auto,
Okay. Fine.
auto dealers,
Okay. Auto dealers. Yes.
that is,
Good point.
you must talk briefly.
Yes.
That is essential point you should tell. Now,
Yes.
tell
Yes.
me who is
Okay.
your role model? Which quality would you like to learn from him?
Okay, sir. So basically, my role models are my parents, because it is from them I learned what is honesty. Because so my father, especially my father, is a retired BSNL employee, and while working in the BSNL, I know he was such a workaholic person. And even in 2004 he was awarded a great award from BSNL, that is Bharat Sanchar Seva Padak, which was for his remarkable achievement in the as an employee. He was a telecom mechanic, and it was from them. It was from my father.
Actually, the question was, who
Sir,
is your role model?
role
Then
model
you
and
must have told, my role model is my
is
father.
my father.
Father was in BSNL as a mechanic. I like this
Okay.
quality of him. That's all.
Honesty,
Whatever,
honesty and work, and
listen,
okay,
you tell what are the qualities. Number one, honesty, hard work,
on hard work,
sincerity, time
sincerity.
management, something like that.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
You have to be
Even
very,
in real life, I used to talk like along.
no,
That's why, sir, I'm really
that,
sorry.
that, that is normally happening in the case of women. When they talk about
Yes,
parents, they will talk more.
yes, yes, sir.
Incidentally,
Okay.
what would you like to learn from your husband and father-in-law?
Father, okay, sir. So my husband is a very hardworking person, a very hardworking person. He's actually my best friend. Actually, even with that, he's of my same age. But even with this short duration of time, he was very hardworking. That he achieved where he is now because of his hard work.
So what did,
Within
yeah,
this short
okay,
uh,
that means sufficient.
hard
Then
working. Yes, yes.
what is it you learn from father-in-law?
So father-in-law, he's also another great person with much more qualities. He's such a family man, and he is very responsible. He is the pillar of our home. It is from him I learned many qualities, like how to be responsible,
Hmm.
take wise decisions at the correct time. Such a strong person, and with a good mental strength also.
Taking up responsibilities. Yeah,
Yes,
shouldering
yes,
responsibility. Good,
yes,
very
sir.
good. You did very well. What is the
Yes,
rate of interest in savings bank account? Who decides savings bank interest rate?
sir. Actually, the savings RBI decides the minimum value of the interest of the savings bank account. At presently in Federal Bank, the savings bank account interest is 3%, which is actually 2.40% less than the current repo rate.
So when you say RBI decides, you
Yes,
should
sir.
also tell that it is left to the discretion of the bank to decide about it. RBI has
Yes,
to
sir.
savings bank
The minimum
deposit rate 2.7 to 3.
3. Okay,
They
okay,
have given
okay.
the basic rates.
Okay. Basic
Similarly,
rates, yes,
term
yes.
deposit rate, they have given 1 year greater than 1 year, 5.30
Okay,
to 5.75. Normally, banks are
okay,
not supposed to fix more than this.
okay, 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 okay,
That is the thing. So good, you told
okay,
this nicely. And
okay,
in savings bank rate, RBI says 2.7 to 3, and our
okay.
federal bank gives 3%. Fine,
3%.
good. What is the present exchange rate of dollar to rupees? Roughly
Sir, it is 79.41.
57,
79.57. Okay, okay,
79.57.
okay, okay.
What is Britain pound to Indian rupees? 96.10.
96. Okay,
What
okay,
is
okay.
euro to Indian rupees? 81.
81.
What is 100 Japanese yen to Indian rupees? 58.
58. Okay.
Can you tell me what is the present policy repo rate?
Sir, it is 5.40%.
Standing deposit facility? What happened? Why were you stuck up? Policy repo rate 5.40, you told correctly. Now
Yes, sir.
standing deposit facility rate 25 points less than that,
25 points.
5.15.
Okay, okay.
Marginal
Okay, sir,
standing facility rate,
sir, it is, I know that. Oh, I know that. 5.65%.
correct. Bank rate also 5.65.
5.65. Yes.
What is the fixed reverse repo rate?
Sir, it is 3.35%.
Super. Good. Now tell me, Calicut. Calicut, is it a corporation or a municipality?
Municipality, sir. Sir, actually, I have one doubt. Can I ask, sir?
Mm.
Sir, because basically I am from Kottayam, so if they ask about the hometown, I actually prepared about a hometown Kottayam, I know, but sir, actually I'm very new to this place because I have been staying here only for a few months.
Then
Like
you say
uh,
I am from Kottayam.
Kottayam, but currently, but then they ask,
In the interview they will ask, how is it that you are
okay,
here?
okay,
Then you
okay,
can
okay,
say I shifted to this place recently after
okay,
marriage.
okay,
So that is
okay,
why I'm here. That you have to,
okay,
so
okay,
that
sir.
they can ask
Okay,
questions but of course, even though you say Kottayam, they may ask
they
about
ask
Calicut because they are in
Calicut.
Calicut now.
Okay, okay,
So,
okay, sir.
so
Okay,
you go to Wikipedia,
okay,
get to know some more details like say
okay.
Calicut
Corporate.
collector name,
Yes, yes.
district magistrate name,
Okay, okay.
then Calicut, what is the main profession of people in Calicut? What
Okay,
are the
okay.
industries that are there in Calicut? Who are the
Okay,
famous people in Calicut living now? Who are the
okay, okay.
famous people who have lived in Calicut earlier?
Okay, okay.
How many bank branches of Federal Bank are there in Calicut?
Okay, okay.
Something like that.
Okay, sir. So I have actually prepared it with Kottayam because being it's my hometown, but Calicut,
I
yeah.
know,
Yes,
but
yes,
the
yes, yes,
tendency for an interviewer like me
yes,
is to ask about the
yes,
present
yes,
place.
yes, yes,
So you can't resist it or
yes,
avoid it.
Yes,
Doesn't,
obviously, sir.
doesn't matter. Good. Can you tell me something about vice presidential election?
Uh,
Out of portion, out
oh
of
my
syllabus,
God.
out of syllabus question.
Yeah, sir. Actually, oh my God, I didn't I haven't go through that.
Mr.
I know that I have been
Jagdeep Dhankar has been selected as
elected
elected, not selected, elected as
elected as.
vice president. And there are a lot of questions that can come in this. He is
Yes, yes,
actually
yes. I'll write down.
he is actually from Rajasthan.
Ah,
He is a lawyer, and he was
okay,
governor of West Bengal,
okay,
and he is coming from a poor farmer's family.
okay, okay, okay.
And then he contested against Margaret Alva, opposition candidate,
Okay,
and
yes.
he succeeded by scoring very good very good, not marks, very good votes, 584
What?
votes or so.
Okay, okay,
So,
okay.
and they can even tease you by asking, how is the election done, vice president? This you might have studied in your 9th class.
Yes, yes.
The vice president is elected by the members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha.
Okay, okay,
Likewise, some of these questions you
okay,
prepare.
okay, okay.
Good. Who is your
Yes, sir.
role model? You told already.
Yes.
Tell me, who is your favorite hero? Malayalam hero.
Malayalam hero,
Of course,
sir.
your husband, that is different. But here,
Uh,
in terms of films, who is the hero?
sir, Prithviraj is my favorite hero.
Which movie of his you like very much?
Sir, I like,
So many
of
movies he
course,
is acting.
so many movies are there, sir. Actually,
Recently, also, I saw one movie in
yeah,
which
yeah,
he
yes,
was
sir.
defending a case.
Janaganamana. Janaganamana,
Uh,
that movie. Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Very good.
Yeah.
So, what is the role played by social media in helping the society?
Okay. Sir, nowadays, in this world of digitalization, social media plays a vital role actually, because many problems or issues that the public or the media hides are revealing through social medias. And even like that only we came aware of the issues. Also, it is like a lending help also. Like for example, recently there was a poor baby from Kannur. He was suffering from SMA disease, and the parents were so poor that they couldn't afford the money for the medicine. It was actually 18 crore, and it was a huge amount for them. And you know how this is, there was a notice or a post in regarding that in social media. Actually, his sister was also suffering from the same disease, and we you and many of us, and even including me, donated what we have, or even if it is a 1 rupee, that counts a lot.
Yeah. Hello.
Despite it,
Yeah.
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Line got disconnected. Yeah. That's
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah.
Sorry,
Doesn't
sorry, sir.
matter. But one thing I have to
Yeah.
caution you, Anjali. You are
Uh,
you are talking more than what is
talking more
required.
than yes, yes,
Are you aware of it?
sir. Yeah, sir, actually, I'm a talkative person. What I have said in my introduction, communication skills. Yes, sir.
No,
Even
but
that's
no.
my weakness also. If,
A banker should talk, but not too much.
yes, yes, I'm sorry, sir.
So here, the instance you said was social
Yes,
media is useful. It is helping in very emergency cases, like in the recent case of a Kannur, a baby which required immediately money for operation.
yeah,
Social
yeah,
media helped in getting it finished.
yes, yes. Oh, sorry.
Do you do you
I
get,
know, sir.
do you understand the mistake that you are doing?
Yeah, yes, sir. I
Not
take.
that what you are doing is wrong, but still
Mm.
good.
Yes, I
Anyway,
know.
you are one of the prospective candidates.
Okay, okay.
And
Thank
only thing is, tell me about Sri Lanka crisis briefly, not like the way you are talking. Briefly.
you. Okay. sir, actually, Sri Lanka currently faces a very huge economic crisis. Now it is actually hyperinflation. Inflation in case of Sri Lanka, the prices of the goods are increasing day by day. Their economy also.
See, earlier you said inflation. You are repeating the same point. Prices are
Yes,
increasing every day.
yes,
Why?
yes, yes.
Why there is
Okay,
need? Hmm.
okay,
So you have told inflation, that is sufficient. Then tell about
okay,
they are getting into what is that some new methodology of agriculture, or
okay,
uh, that is the problem.
okay,
Organic farming. They took to organic farming, as a result of
okay,
which production fell down, and the
okay.
president promised reduction in taxes. The taxes were
Mm,
reduced. Then they borrowed
okay,
heavily from other sources.
okay,
Everything
okay,
point
okay,
by point, point by point.
okay, okay, okay,
Correct? Good. Now
okay.
test whether you can talk like this briefly about about um, financial inclusion.
Okay, sir.
You have not heard about this?
Sir. Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I was just recollecting it.
No, but
Sir, actually,
the moment I corrected you, immediately your mind is getting frozen. That should not happen.
okay, 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 sir.
It will happen. It should not
Uh,
happen.
okay, 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 sir.
Tell me financial
Okay,
inclusion. Good
okay,
question. This is
sir.
a good question.
y-
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, financial inclusion is a term that is used. That is actually including all uh, the people. That is the poor and needy people to have a bank account and and have a financial awareness. Aware-
Correct. Financial awareness, bank account, insurance account also.
Insurance account also. Okay, okay,
Good. Very good. You told correctly. That is
okay.
financial inclusion means providing banking and insurance services, that is financial services, to the poor at a cheaper rates.
Okay, okay, okay.
Can you, what are the various accounts that were open to get this done? Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan
Pradhan
Yojana,
Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Pradhan Mantri
Atal
Jan Dhan
Pension
Yojana.
Yojana, PM
Atal pension.
SBY, PM
Okay,
JJBY,
okay, okay.
these things you have to note down.
Ah,
So
okay.
whenever they ask financial inclusion, you can say financial inclusion is achieved by Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, where no frills accounts are opened. Not only that, people are given 10,000 rupees overdraft also.
Okay, okay.
Then say Atal Pension Yojana scheme, whereby
Ah,
even those who are not working in formal organized sector are provided pension.
okay, okay, okay.
That is a new scheme. You don't know means please study about that. Then
Okay, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Yes, sir.
Jan Dhan Yojana, and apart from that, Atal
Apply,
Pension
repeat.
Yojana, then PM JJBY, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. It's a very
Okay, okay,
cheap insurance scheme provided by LIC on payment of
okay,
456 rupees now premium. 2
okay, okay,
lakhs life coverage is given.
okay, okay.
Similarly, for just payment of 20 rupees premium,
Hmm.
PMSBY, PM Suraksha Bima Yojana, where the customers are provided with, say, accidental insurance of 2 lakhs.
Okay, okay,
So please get to know about that also. So
okay,
not
okay.
only that, financial inclusion, that is,
Uh,
it is also done by appointment, opening of RRBs, then
okay.
appointment of bank correspondents,
Hmm.
then by opening more small service banks, then
Okay, okay,
small finance banks, then by
okay,
opening payment banks.
okay.
All these are done for achieving financial inclusion, and our
Inclusion.
country has made considerable progress in this regard.
Okay,
Next
okay.
question will be, what are the problems what are the problems our say banks are facing nowadays?
Okay.
Why? Is it an out of syllabus question?
Sir, I was just thinking, sir. Okay, sir. So
Let us
problem is
find
general problem or just
general problem. General problem.
general.
Let us see how our Devapriya is answering. Devapriya, she is also from Kerala. Devapriya,
Okay.
you are from Kottayam, na?
Yes, sir.
Devapriya, you have just now come in at a time when I was asking tough question to our friend. Please tell
Oh
me,
God.
what are the problems faced by banks now?
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
Okay, sir. Recovery of NPA is one of the problem,
Hmm.
and because of the stiff competition from other banks, now the customers are demanding more of round-the-clock personalized services, and the bank are also committed to do that to survive the competition. And then digitalization of services by NBFCs, neobanks like Airtel Bank, etc. And then
Here you should tell competition from other payment banks and NBFCs. You should tell like that. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Then continue. Good. Not bad. Today you have done it well. Technological development. Employees
Yes,
are not fully aware and customers are also not fully aware. Not
Aware of
only
the
that, changing technology. Technology is changing quite often. Till recently 3G, 4G, now 5G.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now I will ask this question to our Anjali. Anjali, please tell me what is 5G?
Okay, sir. So it is the latest generation of the communication spectrum. That is with the internet would be very high speed in 5G spectrum.
I know it is really difficult to answer, but you can't avoid this question also. Prepare because you
Yes.
are
Okay.
triple E student.
Yeah. Yes.
Recently, auctions were conducted.
Okay, sir.
Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, and Adani groups have taken the auction on payment of
Yes,
1,50,000 crores. Only 1,50,000 crores or so. Please go through the figures. Go through
Okay.
net and get it. That will.
Okay. Sure.
You did very well, Anjali, today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much,
I
sir.
am happy.
Yes,
Good.
because of you only, sir. Because yesterday you said like what my mother said. Actually, it reminds me of my mother. Only a parent can say like that, and a good teacher.
I am a
Even
grandparent. I am a grandparent,
yes,
not parent.
like that only, sir. Because yesterday only I talked to you, but with the concern, like with the genuine concern, you talked to me, and I felt so bad. I asked my husband also. So I need preparation, and even my baby was sleeping at night, and I was preparing all these notes and all. So
But
that's why, sir.
but
Because of
one
you,
thing,
sir.
I underestimated you as if you are not prepared well. But you
Okay.
showed me all the notebooks you have prepared very well.
Yes.
You sent a video, you know.
Yeah. Yes.
You have
Sir.
done a lot of job. Only thing is
Yeah.
go without fear, answer very well.
Fear. Yes. Maybe because of the fear, sir. I know,
Yeah.
sir. Oh, sir.
Best wish.
And sir, even the answers that said by her was, I know some points of that, like competition and NPA, but I forgot. I don't know what happened actually.
You
That
should
NPA
not
even today I
you should not
yeah
forget.
like
You should not
yes.
forget. Thank you. We'll meet again
Please.
after
Okay,
interview.
sir. Please.
Please send the
Yeah. Please
questions.
keep me in my sure, sir. In my
Ble-
in your prayers.
Blessings and good
Okay.
wishes. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you
Bye.
so much, sir.
Devapriya,
Thank
I will close this and come again.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
you.
Good. Acha, Anjali,
Yeah. Yes.
is it okay to put it in video or after results? I know being a married woman, you may like to have it after. I will not post it. Don't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. After, it's up to you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't mind. It's your interview was really good only.
Yeah.
But
Okay. Okay, sir.
your in-laws and others may not object, means I will post it. It depends.
It's actually your wishes.
Oh, yeah, my wish.
Because I don't know whether
You have
my
done well.
interview is
You have
good.
done well. You have done
That's right,
well.
sir.
It is fit
Okay.
for
Okay.
being posted. Yeah. Devapriya, tell
Sir,
me.
I would like to know whether Anjali Chechi is also from Kottayam.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. They were. My native place is Kottayam, actually. Yeah.
But she is now in Kottayam.
Now in Calicut. Yeah. Yeah.
So your interview is at with which
Calicut.
place?
Calicut.
In Calicut. Calicut.
Calicut. Okay.
Yeah. All the best.
Yeah,
Your
no,
interview over.
I will tell the phone numbers
Mm.
for both of you. I will give you. You can
Okay.
talk. You can talk
Okay.
after.
Okay.
Because
Okay. Thank
she
you.
she also needs encouragement. She is an MSc Max student.
Okay.
Very devoted student. But
Yes.
fear.
No, your answers were so good. They're
No,
so good. No, you
I have
answered
been
well now.
encouraging her for 3-4
Yeah.
days, but still she
Okay.
needs. I suggest you talk to her after today's
Okay.
class. After today's class,
Okay.
or
Okay.
after this session also you can talk, because she will come
Okay.
for it. She will come for a spoken English class also.
Okay.
After
Okay.
that,
Okay.
8:35, 8:40, she will contact you. I will give her
Okay.
your number.
Okay. Okay.
1
Sure.
minute. Your number I
Ah,
know. And
9-4.
yeah, I know. Don't tell fully.
Okay. Okay.
94, and her number is 85. Okay, I will send it to you.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
You are
Okay.
doing well. She
Okay.
is doing well. She has to do well tomorrow also. That is the
Yes.
best wishes.
Thank
But
you. Thank you.
she deserves a lot of encouragement from society.
Okay.
Poor girl. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.